Ricky. I'm the fulfillment lead here at Money Merch. So basically I'm in charge of the last step after production, which is getting the items to the consumer. This is a day in my life. It's your good old morning push in. Get these pallets out so we can make some room for everything else. Last pallet going out. All right, so after we got the the pallets out, heart rate kind of pumping now, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna actually go check our emails, see if we got any returns, any like priority orders that need to go out, stuff like that. So let's go and check that out. So I got our program loaded here. We did get some orders in from one of our new brands that just got brought over by RJ. So we're gonna make sure we get those done today. We're gonna pop open our email. So something about our new way of shipping using this program called Ship Hero. We got this new client that I just spoke about. He's kind of new to the game, so he let us know that like prior. So he's seeing like we have fraud detection. Nothing major. So this person just used 2 different addresses, one for billing, one for shipping. So with that, we'll go ahead and just clear that and let them know, everything's cool. It's just we try to take, the best precautions regarding shipping stuff out, because we're the last step before, the consumer gets their item. So we try to take as best steps going forward to make sure that people get their items the correct way and exactly what they want. So we're gonna go ahead and send them an email back and just let them know everything's good, and we're gonna get those orders out today. The next step, after we got everything covered, make sure brand owners are happy. We're gonna start picking orders for the day so we can start shipping as fast as possible. So we got Ship Hero loaded up on the iPad. I'm gonna log in. We're gonna start seeing what orders we can get out with our current inventory that we got in the warehouse. With Ship Hero, it's a program that started in like 2013 for just being able to manage inventory, order management, just everything regarding the consumers getting their items and getting it efficiently and as fast as possible. So Ship Hero does connect to Shopify, Amazon, and other online commerce websites. I made an acronym. It's going to be called ACE, with 2 A's. So AACE, adaptability. So we could adapt, pivot to different packaging ways, anything that you guys need done. Accountability. So I'm going to be held accountable. And everyone else in here that's shipping is going to be held accountable. Credibility, we already established credibility here at Money Merch, with production side, best screen printing. So we kind of want to bring that over in fulfillment as well and kind of show everyone that, we do fulfillment the best too. And last is efficiency. So you'll see right now when I'm about to pick orders, how fast I can pick a bunch of orders at one time and just grab one shirt. And we got 10 aisles throughout this whole warehouse. So we're gonna make sure we just run through the whole entire warehouse and pick for all brands that we currently have, which is like 18 brands. Probably gonna ship around 8 to 10 of those today. They probably have orders, so yeah, let's go. All right, so we're halfway done now on the first batch of orders that we got. So we got around probably 30 orders sitting right here, all ready to go, and I did it in like 10 minutes. Compared to when we had the old way of doing things around fulfillment, take maybe like 50 minutes and a whole lot more steps, and maybe just human errors could happen. But with Ship Hero, you're not gonna really make any errors. As you can see here, we got keychains for days. One of our new brands, they sell keychains and they've been doing numbers. We could ship literally anything here at Money Merch Fulfillment. Keychains, mirrors, hats. We got hat orders. We could do anything here. Pack it up the way that any brand owner wants it to get packaged. If you want hats in a certain type of box, we could order those boxes for you and get these orders going. All right, so the next step, we got orders picked. We're gonna follow to our next step, which is gonna be the shipping process. So boom, got the shirt. Take out this, which is gonna be the location that it knows this order is. We got a little scanner right here. Cool, and it says that we should have a small T with this matching barcode. So the next step, and this is the most important, we're gonna scan. So now the item went from over here on the screen to over here. So the next step, we got an Xbox controller. We don't be playing video games over here at Money Merch Fulfillment though. But this is a tool so we don't have to really touch this or this. I'm gonna go ahead and take a snapshot of the item. So we got a little camera up here. Also, we don't do no streaming here. We just, keep ourselves accountable, make sure that's the right item. And it's also so I could, as the manager, go back and check to make sure if someone says they got the wrong order or wrong size, I can go back and look at that snapshot and kind of see what went wrong. So those are good, just ways to hold people accountable, ourselves, all the way from the brand owner, ourselves, and to the consumer, which is the last step. So now that we got this loaded, we're gonna go ahead and it's gonna go in a 10 by 13. So we got buttons down here. So 10 by 13 poly for one shirt. So the next thing we're gonna do is just make sure we are shipping with the correct company that that brand owner wants to ship by. Got that locked in, and now we hit this big black button, which is technically an analog stick. So click that in and it's gonna give us a label. So now we could go ahead and start the actual, putting the item in a poly and getting it going. And we have no loose labels. I think that's a really important thing about using Ship Hero, is that we don't got no loose labels of just a bunch of orders. We actually have a bunch of labels ready to go only when that order is ready to go. We got the label printed, just a single label for that order. So this is kind of going back on adaptability and credibility, I guess, because we're gonna show that we always make sure that we're putting the right items in the right bags. So we got the order ready to go. They have a special poly bag that they supplied us for their brand, and they wanted stickers to go with every order. So we got the stickers in there, and we got to make that poly look nice. Good fold, boom. And just so we could show the brand name in the front, we're gonna put actually the mailing label on the back. Every table got your trash. Boom. So now first order of the day, ready to go. So we're gonna start the inventory process. So we got some shirts from production that kind of need to be put into a location. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a physical count, write down the numbers, and those little SKUs that I was talking about that each shirt, each hat gets, I'm gonna be putting those on and scanning them with the iPad into location to give them. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do a physical count, and then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna go and get these numbers matched up with how many SKUs I'm gonna print out per size. So on Ship Hero, I'm gonna go one by one. This is the shirt in all the different sizes. And something cool about how we integrate with your personal Shopify, we don't even need access to it. So once we're already synced up, the orders that you need, so I could see here for 3X of this shirt, we have 4 on hand, but he actually needs another 3. So he needs 7 because he has 7 total orders for that shirt. So it will tell me the back ordered amount. And then if I match it to this, so if 3X, I just counted 3 and his back ordered amount is 3. So he ordered just the right amount to get all of his orders out for that particular shirt. So it's little things like that, integrating with your personal website, that I don't need to talk to the brand owner. I could just, receive from Rico the items, and I could SKU it, put it in the system, and it will load on the iPad, and I already know what we got to ship out. All right, so now that we're printed the labels, I'm already pretty much done now, but every shirt now is gonna be getting a barcode on it. That's gonna be corresponding with what it shows on Ship Hero per size and per design. So now that each one, I'm pretty much, giving it like type matrix kind of vibes. Now you are an extra large, whatever type shirt, So we're gonna go and we're gonna give these shirts all a temporary home until they get shipped out. So that's the next step. So one cool thing that we do kind of show at Money Merch and offer people is going again to my little acronym ACE with a double A, is adaptability was one of them. So we have this new brand that RJ did a little partnership with, and it's CDCG. What they are gonna want for us to do as their fulfillment team is that they want every order to be tissue wrapped, every item to be tissue wrapped, and then put in this black box with this sticker on top, with also a postcard. So we're gonna grab the postcard, but I kind of want to walk you through everything that we will do, and we'll make sure we hold ourselves accountable. And we're gonna fold this up. Some people just want an expensive item and let the item do with the talking, and then some people also want to offer a great product and also kind of make it an experience. Like we think about like our AirPods, like the way AirPods are kind of packaged, it's kind of like an experience opening it up. So here at Money Merch Fulfillment, we'll do whatever the brand owner wants. Like if they want their consumers to have an experience, we can provide that. If they want their consumers just to rip open a poly and see what they order, we could do that too. So we got these in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put a postcard on top of this. But basically it's gonna go in there like that. This gets folded. Boom. I'm gonna lay the sticker right there. And then in here, and this is a special box that we got strictly just for this brand. So again, you know, we want everything to look great. So we don't really have these boxes in stock, but just because we are starting fulfillment for this brand, we're gonna go ahead and start having these boxes on deck ready for this brand. So when it gets orders, gets boxed up, stickered up, and ready to go. All right, so we had a day of inventory. Then we finished, finishing off the day with finishing shipping stuff out from yesterday, the day before. So this is about our fourth bag today. So we got around probably close to 200, probably like 170, 180 orders shipped out today. It's like a normal day. I try to have a goal. If we have items to ship out, at least 100 orders a day. That's what we try to do here at Money Merch. All right, so the day's almost over, but we got to get these orders out. So we got the mailman here. The big homie shows up every day, same time. So him and the other homie, even if they got a full truck, they make it work. So we respect that. Respect your mailman. All right, so I think that's it for today. Orders went out, inventory was done. I'm gonna go check some emails before I head out. But please like, subscribe, and comment what you guys want to see next year at Money Merch. Peace.